Alright, now you can see how tired I get. I'm already tired.
Yeah.
It starts rolling down the hill backwards at 10 miles an hour, you know it's when gear going backwards. Okay, we're all re-primed and re-everything.
Can't believe this bike fighting so much.
We use full advance. Try full advance, full throttle. Race bike style. See if that does any difference. Okay, ready? Put a good flame off.
Yeah. Just God, what a bitch.
We warmed up the fuel system.
Which that's a good thing, right?
The carburetor got warmed up.
Huh?
The carburetor got warmed up. I'm dropping the video today.
Oh, shit. Sorry.
Alright.
So you full on advanced then?
I was full advance.
Okay.
That's why I kicked it completely out of the front of it. About 3/4 retarded. I have no idea what it wants. It's running backwards a lot, but my race bikes like going backwards too, so gotta try to figure out a kicking procedure when nothing's really working, so it makes it difficult. Well, you know at least one spark plug fires.
Yeah, but I just gotta get them both.
I gotta get both run the correct direction. Two parts in a row will run. Gas one from the starting fluid one.
Well, maybe this one, the way it's acting, needs it. Come on, bro.
Check the plugs.
That's good, right?
Yeah. The excuse why it's not firing. When at least one plug's good, the other one should be good too. Yeah. Firing. Just the motor stopped, fall backwards. That was the third turn around. I can't spin them 3 turns around. That's too much kicking. Feel bad. I didn't get half a part. Did it fire correctly one way?
I didn't pay attention.
You gotta pay attention to what's going on.
I was over here.
That's backwards.
That was backwards.
Hard ignitions. They don't usually like starting retarded.
They don't, huh?
It's a problem. It's all backwards.
Backwards. Like that.
Cam timing's out of whack.
The cam timing?
That's all cam timing. Your cams are way the fuck out. Way out.
So what's that mean?
That's why it's not drawn correctly and blowing a lot of fuel out of the carburetor.
So gotta pull that cam cover
You're running a
out.
1-cylinder.
Yeah.
So either that distributor is 180 out, which we're going to check, or the cams are wrong.
So in other words,
And that's why it's running backwards so much.
so in other words, my cam's not in there right?
Either the distributor's 180 out, or the cams are off three teeth or better.
So I'm probably off on the cam then.
Because you notice it's firing when the exhaust valve is open. It's also firing when the intake valve is open too. It's firing because it's blowing out the carburetor each time. So
So I gotta pull the cam cover out.
well, I'm gonna go distributor first. I'm gonna go to distributor
Yeah.
first.
Son of a bitch.
It's just about impossible to start a bike with a 180 on anything.
And this fucker, luckily, it just started off.
I cheated enough. I got to start, even though it should never have run. You can tell it barely even runs.
Damn.
That's half throttle, 3/4 throttle. Turn the choke off, it dies.
So we got lucky there, huh?
Well, just me knowing what to do to make it work.
Well, yeah. I mean, well.
The distributor's still way retarded.
Gee, really? God.
I never advanced to the distributor, unless it's legal stuff.
Man. So what? In other words, pull that distributor out and reset it?
We're going to check to the distributor and see what the hell's wrong with it. So if it's not the distributor, then the cam timing, the cam cover's got to come off. We're going to check the cams. Something's way the hell out of whack.
Well, I'm telling you, man.
I'm going to take a rest break. Be back.
It seems like I just ain't done shit right.